Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detail video to show you how the mounting system works for the multi-lift with PIR mount in the rear of a Chrysler Pacifica. This is a detail video, so it's not meant to be seen by itself. You'd want to check out the other videos. This is just to show you how the mechanism works and how it affects your vehicle. So let's bring in a little closer here. We'll show you, you do have a belt, a couple of belt tie downs. Those can be thrown down under the seat. And this is a specially modified sill plate. So this sill plate right here is it's one that we supply with the unit. It is a Chrysler sill plate that's had some little cutouts and things like that. Okay, so you'll see that your seats still operate normally. So you can pull the seats up and down. And this is the most important thing to most customers. You can go up and down, no problem. Same thing with the driver's side seat. We're able to go up and down if you get your finger in the loop here. And again, some customers will take these and throw them down on the inside just to get them out of the way when the lift is not in use as a piece of adaptive equipment. Okay, so let's take a little closer look here. You'll see that there is no modification to the major plastic structures or to the structure of the vehicle. Amazingly enough, we've done this without drilling any holes in the vehicle structure. And again, you're going to keep your original sill plate here, so even though we did modify this one, your original sill plate will be popped back in when you, if you should take the lift out or want to sell the vehicle. So that's a great advantage. So everything is all engineered around. We're connected into a seatbelt hole here and then several existing body holes in the vehicle. You'll notice it's a good heavy-duty structure here. This is your release pin, which must be used when the lift is in use or especially when the vehicle is being driven. You have to have this in place as a safety. These are your tie downs. They're not tie downs. They're actually just here to steady the wheelchair and keep it from rolling around while the vehicle is in motion. I think actually we might be able to kind of show you how the structure works here if you're interested in the more technical side. So you see we have a good steady, good heavy-duty structure here. That's your structure on the inside. And again, we've gone into all existing holes, so there's no holes drilled whatsoever in the structure of the vehicle. Thanks again for watching our video. We appreciate it. Check out, give us a call at 607-669-4822 if you'd like to learn more about the application. Definitely check out the videos in the notes field down below. And also, we would love to hear from you evenings and weekends, no problem. 615-873-0518. And contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We look forward to hearing from you soon.